Economics. It's all around us, shaping the choices we make every day. From deciding what to buy at the grocery store to how governments manage national resources, economics helps us understand how we allocate scarce resources to meet our needs and wants. But what exactly is economics, and why is it so important? Let's break it down. At its core, economics is the study of how people, businesses, and governments make choices about scarce resources. It would be great if we could eat at fancy restaurants every day, go travel more than once a year, or live on a private yacht. But since we don't have unlimited money, time, or materials, we have to make decisions about how to best use what we have, how to maximize our happiness and utility given our resources and situation. One of the fundamental ideas in economics is scarcity. Resources such as land, labor, and capital are limited, but human wants are unlimited. This creates constraints which force us to make choices. Every time you choose to buy one thing over another, you're making an economic decision based on what's available and what matters to you the most. For example, let's say you have $20 at the mall. You can either buy a meal, pay at the arcade, or buy a movie ticket, but not all three. Because of scarcity, you must decide how to spend your money in a way that brings you the most satisfaction. That means that all decisions have costs. There's no such thing as a free good. Each decision has trade-offs due to scarcity. Some costs include trade-offs and also opportunity costs. By going to the mall, you have many choices. By selecting to go to the movie, you have to make a trade-off. You have to give up your time, energy, and money by eliminating all of the other options. Opportunity cost is one of the most important concepts in economics. It's the value of what you give up when you make a choice. If you choose between two choices, the meal or the movie, your opportunity cost is what you didn't choose. If you chose the movie, you would give up the meal, and if you choose the meal, you would give up the movie. Every choice has a trade-off, and understanding opportunity cost helps individuals and businesses make smarter decisions and maximize their utility and happiness. A key tool in economic decision-making is cost-benefit analysis. This process helps us to weigh the costs and the benefits of different options to determine the best choice of action. For instance, a business may decide whether to invest in new technology. They would compare the cost of purchasing and maintaining the technology against the benefits, such as increased efficiency and higher profits. If the benefits outweigh the costs, it's a good decision. On a personal level, you might use cost-benefit analysis when deciding whether to buy a car or rely on public transportation. Understanding trade-offs and using cost-benefit analysis helps us to ensure that we make the best possible economic choices. Another crucial concept in economics is incentives. Incentives are factors that motivate individuals and businesses to make certain choices. They can be monetary, like economic incentives, like a bonus for working extra hours, or social and moral incentives, which guide human behavior. Governments also use incentives, such as tax breaks, to encourage investment, or fines to discourage bad behavior. Understanding incentives helps to explain why people and businesses act the way they do in different economic situations. When you study economics, it's usually broken down into two main branches: microeconomics, which looks at individual and business decisions, analyzing consumer behavior, and macroeconomics, which examines the economy as a whole, things like inflation, unemployment, and government policies. Governments use economics to make decisions about the resources, such as what to produce, how to produce, and for whom. Thinking like an economist often relies on thinking on the margin, analyzing specific actions and the costs and benefits of that specific action. Will an extra hour study, oversleep, improve my grades, or would the costs outweigh the benefits? To sum up, economics is related to money, but it's really the study of how we make choices in a world of scarcity. By understanding key concepts like scarcity, opportunity cost, trade-offs, cost-benefit analysis, and incentives, we can make better decisions in our personal lives, businesses, and society as a whole. Want a deeper dive into economics and business? Subscribe to my channel Biz1 for more insights into how the world really works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.